Next up today in this Steel City Break Room, 3 boxes for AP. You got 2015 Tier 1, 2015 Immaculate, and 2015 Spectra. Start off with Spectra. Pretty sweet football product out this year. Lots of hits inside. Alright, in the first pack, Blake Bortles, dual patch. That's going to feature an autograph of Rashad Green and TJ Yeldon of the Jaguars. Numbered 20 of 25. There's the Bortles. That's a Prism out of 99. Okay. Another Jag. Storm Johnson on a jersey swatch. And green Prism Mark Ingram. Numbered 18 of 25. Next hit, Khalil Mack jersey swatch. Max Williams Jumbo jersey. Autograph Charles Haley of the Cowboys. Featuring Super Bowl 27. And a blue Prism Leonard Williams. And that is numbered 16 of 49. Alright, nice one here. Triple swatch of the Colts. Dante Moncrief, Andrew Luck, and Philip Dorsett. Numbered out of 199. Rookie patch auto, Justin Hardy. Jumbo swatch of Chris Conley. A very nice looking 3-color piece. And that will be numbered 10 of 50. And blue Prism Marquez Colston. Numbered out of 49. Alright, how about this one? Dual swatch featuring Jim Kelly and Dan Marino. With the logo on Marinos. With the, looks like the sun from the Dolphins logo. Very, very nice looking card. Green Prism and numbered 3 of 10. Jim Kelly and Dan Marino. I love that one. Okay, next up, Jumbo Swatch, Stephon Diggs. Autograph of Eric Armstead, rookie of the 49ers. And Jerry Rice Prism. Out of 99. Alright, let's move on to 2015 Tier 1 Baseball. Starting off, Jackie Robinson Bat Relic out of 99. Corey Spangenberg autograph out of 399. And Evan Longoria autograph numbered 16 of 50. Alright, now on to Immaculate. I think you're going to like this one. Base card, Felix Hernandez out of 99. Dual jersey, Yasmani Tomas out of 99. Jersey swatch, Tyler Glasnow out of 99. Ozzie Smith jersey out of 79. Starting off, autograph of Jake Arrieta. Collegiate ink numbered 5 of 10 featuring TCU. That's the first Arrieta card I've seen all year probably. Nice pull there for you, AP. Next autograph, Gene Segura out of 99. And coming up, Chris Bryant autograph, 25 of 99, featuring a stripe 3-color piece and signed by Chris Bryant. 2 Cubs hits right there. Way to go, AP. Once again, thank you very much for breaking with us.